So I had to get a friend to come put it on.
Two friends.
Two friends.
Three of us.
Hello you guys, what's up? It's Kendra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am no makeup and natural hair. It is my last day in Mexico. I found some jewelry online and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool and like super affordable. So I was like, I would love to show you guys. It's Italo Jewelry. So I got a ring, a necklace, earrings, and a watch. Before we get into it though and do the unboxing, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications so you catch all my videos. You get an email and a little notification. Who wouldn't want that? Make sure you also give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It is Kendra A. Rowe, and add me on Snapchat. It is KENNROWE. When you buy from Italo Jewelry, you get a box like this with a cute little bow on it. It opens up like this. So it comes with a little jewelry bag for you to put the jewelry in. You get a cleaning cloth. You also get a couple of care cards. So you get, if you have any issues with it, they drop their email, their return policy. You get sterling silver certificate, which is really nice, so that you can prove its authenticity. In the future, the sampling receipt date, the testing period, it went into testing for 20 days, Feb 6th, 2018 to Feb 26th, 2018. Yeah, okay. And then in the test, it was 940.6% silver. I'm not really sure what that means. I don't know jewelry that well, but I think that's good, so yay. This one I accidentally ripped, but they look like that and they come in little cases. So this one, if you're trying to propose, guys, here it is. This ring totally caught my eye, and I love big rings like this. It is so pretty and super affordable. So I got this ring in a size 5. That is what it looks like. It's so sparkly and so shimmery, and then diamonds all around it in a silver casing. Can we just like take a moment for how stunning that is and how stunning it looks? I absolutely love and absolutely adore. Super comfortable. I got it in a size 5 because I guess I have a small ring finger. Or I also picked up a kind of matching necklace. So it is super similar in the sense that we're gonna focus it. It is the pear shape with a really thin chain, and then it has one band of diamonds along it. So like comparing them, it's a little bit smaller. Still super pretty though. You can switch out the necklaces. Uno momento. Feels so naked without a necklace on. So I had to get a friend to come put it on.
Two friends.
Two friends.
Three of us.
I was super productive in this matter.
Hair up.
I did nothing.
Yeah,
I
that's pretty.
consolidated it. Now I don't
Okay,
know
so that's the necklace. Let me jump forward. Still here, you guys.
Where should we go?
You can go right over there.
Okay, let me grab my phone.
It is super pretty and it matches the ring. It sparkled so nicely. That's that. The next box they sent me looks the same. They are so pretty. How does it feel?
It's light. It's actually really light. And
For
I
like
hate when stuff is like heavy because it pulls down.
the diamonds that you
So
get, they're super light, super pretty. The backs aren't sticky. You know when the backs get sticky when you buy like cheap ones?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the last item that I picked up from them is this watch. This is rose gold watch. It literally sparkles so much. Comes with a battery. Rose gold, super shiny watch. Even on the back, it is super shiny. And then it's got the closed clasp. And then when you put it on, it just clasps closed, which is super nice. Kidding, I got it. So yeah, it looks like that, and we are all blinged out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you wanted to check out Italo Jewelry, they are linked down below, like I already mentioned, with a discount code. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, and give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, all my other socials are linked down below, but you can follow me on Instagram. It is Kendra A. Rowe, and Snapchat is KENNROWE. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all. Bye.
Wait.
Oh, fucking Christ. If you guys do happen to like the products there, I'll link down below with a discount code for you guys. Make sure you check them out and purchase anything. Christmas is coming up, holidays are coming up, birthdays. My birthday is in January, so if you wanted to purchase stuff, definitely go for it. So they are offering 65% off most of their items, 30% off, 20% off, 10% off. It is all on their website with the discount codes. It is the perfect time to buy. Make sure you guys check out that link in the bio and purchase some of their awesome items. They are also having a huge Halloween sale right now, so make sure you check out their site. It is linked down below, and then there's a screenshot of their site as well. Check out their products, make sure that you pick some up. Who wouldn't want a Halloween sale? I also just wanted to add, with their jewelry, you do get a 30-day return policy as well as a 1-year warranty, if you guys didn't know that. So it is super awesome. Their stuff is so good. You guys have to check them out. And yeah, and then you're all stocked up and ready to go on some awesome jewelry.